50 common question and answers for beginners. How are you today? I'm perfectly fine. What do you do? I am a salesman. I am a salesman. How can I help you? I am trying to find a new job. How old are you? I am 32 years old. How much does your phone cost? My phone costs $200. Do you like to take photos? Yes, I like photography and taking selfies. Do you like music? Yes, I'm a music lover. I like classical music and songs. Where do you live? I live in California. I live in California. How many siblings do you have? I have three siblings. I have three siblings. What time is it now? It is 10 a.m. It is 10 a.m. Do you like coffee or tea? I like black coffee. It is good in taste. It is good in taste. How often do you eat out? I eat out twice a month. Have you traveled abroad? Yes, I have visited Kenya and Brazil. What is your favorite city? I love New York. I love New York. Do you prefer beach or mountain vacation? I like to spend my vacation on beautiful beaches. Beautiful
How
beaches.
often do you visit your friends?
I usually visit my friends on weekends.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is working in a multinational firm.
How often do you use your computer?
I use my computer daily for 6 to 7 hours.
What is your long-term goal?
My long-term goal is setting my own business.
What is your favorite social media platform?
My favorite social media platform is YouTube.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family and friends makes me happy.
Do you get nervous in public?
Yes, I often get nervous in public. To watch more, subscribe.